Greetings RC fans, Sharky here and welcome back to Sharky's Garage. Today I am out at the BERCC. There's a gang of people out here today. It is the 3rd of March and you'll probably see 4, maybe 5 videos from today. I've already filmed some awesome footage of some scale loaders that have all been 3D printed on Bambu Labs printers. But don't forget to do the usual things, like, comment and subscribe.
Power! Is he getting too hot? His door's open.
So these are all 3D printed.
By us.
By Bambu.
On Bambu printers.
Oh, yeah. Come on, remember how this works.
Now try backwards. I think I need to change my channels.
You never know, you guys could start your own mining operation. We're going to do all that mud over there, we're going to do.
Yeah, first load.
Excellent.
I looked at the photo the other day to see how much I suppose that's maybe because we all remember the last one.
Out there.
What? Wow.
So we've got a cat and a Volvo.
Bottoming out my skid plate. I'm sorry, don't go backwards, I'm just moving this thing. I've actually really? You got a new car? Yeah, not new, then new, brand new, but yeah, the forward drive. I like the first one taken up, only picked it up on Tuesday. Yeah, it's really nice to drive. I don't trust it entirely, because it's loaded with technology like the it's 71, so 2021. So top of the range. But yeah, so it's like first one, put it forward drive. Yeah, they are.
You might want to come back a bit.
It is hybrid. Smart hybrid. So yeah, it's really, really nice. Really, really nice. So I drive it on the touch. Yeah, I can't do that. But I just get comfortable and I do have to go to the touch to drive it.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's really nice to drive. The first longest drive I've done. Oh, that's a load.
That's a heavy load. Oh, right on the tipping point. Yeah. That's it.
Ah, nice.
Perfect. And all 3D printed.
It takes a long time to move a ton of sand, doesn't it?
Well, in 1-to-1 scale, it's probably about 10 tons already.
Yeah, I don't know what the load capacity of one of the real ones of those is. So I've got a Komatsu, a cat and a Volvo, all 3D printed. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you all again next time.